Knitting is stitching. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. Is your neck cold? Is it not covered? Well, that's too bad. But not for long. And here's how. Before you even start, it's great to look for inspiration. Here's a shop that might sell scarves depending on what they stock. Let's see. Have you? Great. Well, the first thing you need to do is watch this video. Are you watching? Good. The next thing you have to do is have your equipment ready. If you haven't, please remember for the next time. Now I'm left-handed, if you know what I mean. But if you're right-handed, don't be alarmed. Some people are born that way, in my experience. If you want to make the video applicable to you, then just hold a mirror up to this video. If you can handle what you see, that is. And wouldn't you know it, there it is. Wear here a scarf. You can't knit a broken heart. I learned that the tough way, and you can't knit a broken pelvis, and I learned that medically. You can push the needle into your hand, and it doesn't hurt until you want it to. My grandfather said to me, "Jilly," and I said, "Grandfather, I don't know who Jilly is." Well, I've been me, and my friend Kathy's been sick as a dog. And before I forget, remember